Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to customize the home screen style in this device. So in this device you can see, if you swipe up, then you can see all the applications. You can see here this one. Okay, so let me show you how to change this one. For this, go to settings, tap on display, tap on the home and lock screen, then tap on home settings, tap on home screen style. Now we select the option app tray. If you swipe up, then you can see all the applications. So if you select the option open, that means it will show all the application in your home screen only. So here I select the option open. Now this is not enabled, the swipe up. So you can see all the application in the home screen itself. You can see. You can do some customization in this app open home screen style. So here you can see the option settings. Tap on this one. Then you can see two options. You can see here free arrangement and autofill. If you select the option free arrangement, you can arrange the application anywhere on the home screen. Okay. If you select the option autofill, then it will automatically the app icon will move to fill the empty spaces. So let me show you. So here I am going to this option, the free arrangement. Select this one. Then we can move this application. We can see. Move this one here also. Like this way, you can move the application anywhere on the home screen if you select the free style. If you tap on the settings, if you select the option autofill, now here I am going to select the option for autofill. Now you can see this is automatically arranged in this device, in this home screen. So simply in this way you can change the home screen style in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.